Dr. Sakit Bhatia. Every Tuesday, 4 to 5 p.m. is your chance to talk to Dr. Sakit Bhatia, to call and connect with him on air. Dr. Sakit Bhatia हमारे साथ live होते हैं every Tuesday, as I said. Somebody who is the right person if you're looking for some answers, if you're looking to see that what is your future holding, how you can make the best use of the time ahead. Connect कीजिए उनके साथ. He is a certified numerologist. He is an astrologer. He has a PhD in astrology and has over 25 years of experience. He is the board member of International Association of Vedic Astrology and Numerology और 12,000 से ज़्यादा satisfied clients globally उनकी help ले चुके हैं and उनकी knowledge से definitely फ़ायदा उठा चुके हैं. तो आप भी बनिए उनमें से एक. कॉल कीजिए, कनेक्ट कीजिए, जो भी क्वेश्चन है मन में अबाउट योर सेल्फ, अबाउट योर लव्ड वंस, आप पूछ सकते हैं उनसे, उनकी हेल्प ले सकते हैं. एंड सबसे पहले आपको उनकी वेबसाइट पे जाना है, विच इज sakitbhatia.com. वहां जाकर अपना डेट ऑफ बर्थ, प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ एंड टाइम ऑफ बर्थ डाल के यू कैन क्रिएट योर ओन चार्ट्स एंड देन यू कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम देयर. जो भी क्वेश्चन है, जो नहीं समझ में आ रहा, जहां भी थोड़ा भी डाउट है, डू रीच आउट टू हिम डायरेक्टली बाय कॉलिंग 408-639-5300. Studio lines will be open shortly and calls हम थोड़ी देर में शुरू करेंगे लेना. The number to studio line is 510-770-1550. Again, it's 510-770-1550. And if you want to reach out to Dr. Sakit Bhatia directly, then the number is 408-639-5300. Let's begin. Hello and welcome, Dr. Bhatia. Happy Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday, Vedika, and warm welcome to all our listeners. Good to be back.
Absolutely. And that too with another exciting topic.
Yes, another exciting topic. I hope all topics are exciting. Last week was. What we tried to do is, इतने emails आते हैं, इतने phone calls आते हैं, इतने लोग मिलने आते हैं, right?
Mm-hmm.
So some people give us tips. How about you talk on so-and-so topic, or career, Vastu, numerology, moon, sun. So today's topic is actually selected by listeners, not by me.
Okay.
So hopefully it will be an educational experience for more than just you and me, right?
Absolutely.
Many more people need to understand ki ho kya raha exactly.
Ji. And you know, when I mentioned exciting, so I think social media pe, or in fact in general, ये retrograde बड़ा popular हो गया है. And eclipse and retrograde is something which people commonly use, although they don't understand it completely. So it's like the vibing word right now. So we'll be talking about that today.
Yeah, हमने बहुत कर लिया exaltation का, बहुत कर लिया debilitation की बात.
जी.
Retrograde and what is it? Eclipse के बारे में बात करना है, right?
Right.
So today's show is going to be talking only on two topics. Core concepts जो हम बात करेंगे are just those two, okay?
Okay. So as I started with that, these are very interesting topics. So हम क्या कवर करने वाले हैं about these two majorly जो हमने अभी सिर्फ टर्म दी है उसके बारे में, what are we going to cover?
See, याद है we did a show many months ago in which we emphasized on the importance of number 108. आपको याद है?
कुछ
कुछ याद आता है. See,
मैं बोलूंगी
108
याद है तो आप मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे इसलिए
नहीं पूछता.
हाँ, I do remember.
नहीं
Yes,
पूछता.
I do remember we talked about it.
तो ठीक है, क्वेश्चन पूछ लेते हैं फिर.
नहीं, आपने कहा था कि there is a significance कि क्यों कितनी बार करते हैं और उनका सबका एक significance होता है. Why the planet number is fixed, right? Something related to that.
So yeah, so 108 जो होता है, right?
जी.
There are 27 nakshatras, and each nakshatra has 4 padas. 27 times 4 is 108.
Right.
The sun is approximately 108 diameters of the sun away from Earth.
Yes.
The moon is approximately 108 diameters of the moon from Earth. 1 plus 0 plus 8 equals 9, which is considered to be the last number. 1 plus 0 plus 8 equals 9, which is the total number of planets. Sun, Jupiter, Mars, Moon, Mercury, Venus, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu. Right? This is not a coincidence. Somebody came up and said 108 has a significance. और काफी significance था जो उसका समझाया भी था. तो आज हम बात करेंगे, we'll talk about eclipse. It is this 108 that causes an eclipse. Okay? The sun is completely covered by the moon. That is an eclipse. The moon sometimes is not visible. that is an eclipse. But primarily it is because of the size. What is a total solar eclipse? जब अर्थ को हम बैठ के यहाँ से जब सन देखते नहीं दिखता, it is completely covered. Why is it
Yes.
completely covered? Why not small part covered? Because 108 करके the moon covers the whole sun. It's just the way it is. The size is the same. Now, today's topic will cover three things. One, अगर टाइम मिले तो first, grahan, which is eclipse.
जी.
In astronomy, eclipse is all about 108, right?
Mm-hmm.
But in astrology, this is a very important point. Solar eclipse is called when there is Rahu, and Ketu is the other one that causes the other eclipse. These accelerate many things in our life. बहुत changes आती हैं हमारी life में because of eclipse. Second topic जो हम cover करेंगे, that is retrograde planet, जिसे हम वाकरी कहते हैं. See, a planet that is वाकरी does not mean it is moving backwards. कोई planet moving backward नहीं होता. कभी planet पीछे नहीं जा सकता आपके लिए. You may go back in life, but planets don't go back. It appears the planet is going back. And when that happens, it actually gives us a chance to review, to revise, and to resolve any outstanding issues that we have in our life. So, for example, Jupiter, जो belief system, wisdom का जो ruler है, जब वो retrograde जाता है, it questions, are we following the right faith? Are we following our right destiny? Are we doing our right path? जब शनि on the other hand retrograde जाता है, it questions and tells us, are we doing our duty right? हमारा discipline भी है कि नहीं? Use these as times to answer those questions when the planet is retrograde. अब eclipse is more outward, retrograde is more inward. जब retrograde और eclipse साथ में आते हैं, like right now, eclipse आ रहा है, right? In a few days, there is an eclipse coming, and at the same time, Saturn retrograde है. So they create what in Vedic astrology, in English we call a crucible, a hot pot, जो explode हो रहा है. So this retrograde planet is actually put to a test by the eclipse. Remember one other thing I must mention. अगर आपके कुंडली में planet retrograde नहीं है, तो this retrograde period won't impact you. Okay. How will you know that? Go on the website, enter your details, and make your chart.
Very
अगर
easy.
planet के पास R आ गया, your planet is retrograde. Like Mercury retrograde never impacts me. Clarity of thought, ability to think, ability to do business नहीं होता. My Mercury is not retrograde. On the other hand, for all the listeners, अगर आपका Saturn शनि retrograde है, this is going to hit you because Saturn right now retrograde है. और जैसे जैसे शनि retrograde है, वो और delays देगा. कुछ ना कुछ तो करेगा. So this is what our topic is today. How do we tackle this retrograde and how do we make sure that this retrograde planet is giving us the best results during the eclipse?
Absolutely. So let's start with lunar eclipse, Chandra Grahan, which took place on September 7th this year.
I don't know if you remember because इतने सारे eclipses होते हैं. Right? Some people
जी.
don't remember कि exactly eclipse था क्या, कब हुआ.
जी.
So just to remind you, Chandra Grahan lunar eclipse था. Chandra Grahan होता है when you can't see the moon, right? It's called lunar eclipse. इसमें क्या होता है? The shadow of Ketu, which is the south node, it engulfs the moon. To understand, हमें देखना पड़ेगा 3 elements को. 1, चंद्र, 2, केतु, और तीसरा ये कौन से नक्षत्र में हुआ. People almost always forget कि नक्षत्र क्यों देखना है. भाई मून उस नक्षत्र में बैठा है. अगर मून ही अंधेरे में चला गया तो वो नक्षत्र भी अंधेरे में चला गया, right? So what nakshatra did it happen in? It happened in पूर्व भाद्रपा नक्षत्र. Okay, अभी ये जो नक्षत्र है इसके बारे में भी बताएंगे. But let's start with moon. What is moon? Moon is your mind. Moon is your emotion. Moon is sensitivity. Correct? Chandra एक satellite है in astronomy. But Vedic astrology treats it as a center part of our body. हमारी capability not just to receive but also to give emotion, strength. The ability to nurture, ये सब moon पे है, निर्भर है. जब moon bright है, we feel good. How many times have you gone out, you've seen a bright moon and felt depressed? Almost never.
Yeah,
Trust me,
no.
never. In fact, आप कोई picture भी देखोगे, painting भी देखोगे, if there is a beach, they'll always show a big moon there.
Right.
या big sunset दिखाते हैं. They'll never show darkness. On the other hand, जब moon नहीं दिखता, then it makes us emotionally dark. It is said our conscious is temporarily hidden. ये जो है ये थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम देता है. अब केतु समझते हैं क्या होता है, because all three are involved, right? Remember I told you the
जी
nakshatra, moon and ketu.
केतु
केतु मोक्ष कारक है. It is the karak of the 12th house, which is liberation, right? So राहु तो सिर होता है, केतु is the headless body of the serpent. केतु always represents, इस शो पे भी बताया है, राहु केतु represent past lives कर्म. राहु says हमें इस लाइफ में क्या नहीं मिला, और केतु कहता है कि हमें उस लाइफ में क्या मिला था जो हम बहुत कंफर्टेबल हैं जिसके साथ.
हम्म
Okay, so it represents our past lives कर्म, and we need to detach from that. अगर आपका केतु फॉर एग्जाम्पल करियर में बैठा है, you will automatically start getting detached from your career. It happens. I've seen it in 100% of the cases, not one but 100. It tends to break our emotional attachments from all those things where it is sitting. Now, moon is your emotion, Ketu is, detachment. So emotionally, you will start being detached from something when that eclipse happens. But let's take this a step further and understand कि इसका ये जो पूर्व भाद्रपा नक्षत्र है उसमें क्या है. ये जो एक्लिप्स हुआ था पूर्व भाद्रपा नक्षत्र में,
हम्म
ये जो नक्षत्र है, इट इज सिंबलाइज्ड बाय द फ्रंट लेग्स ऑफ अ टू फेस्ड मैन. तो एक आदमी है, उसके जो आगे के जो पंजे हैं वो है. ओके,
ओके
यस, एवरी नक्षत्र हैज अ डेटी एसोसिएटेड विद इट. द डेटी ऑफ पूर्व भद्रा नक्षत्र इज एक्चुअली कॉल्ड अजा एकपाड़ा. दैट इज व्हाट इट्स कॉल्ड, वन फुटेड गोट.
ओके
Okay,
आई हैव नेवर
ये
हर्ड.
yeah, this is a fierce and fiery form, Shiva ka,
Oh,
Rudra.
okay, okay.
So the image is not about literal death, because this जो two-faced man hai, he's sitting on what we call a funeral cot, the two front feet of a funeral cot. So
Okay.
what this is telling us is it is not about death, but it is about the death of your ego. It is about the illusion that you have that you need to give up. Nature wise, a fierce nakshatra hai. There are nakshatras which can be calm, there are nakshatras which can be active, but this is a fierce nakshatra.
Mm.
Its energy is like a fire. Fire doesn't slowly grow, it grows rapidly, it grows very fast. जो होता है उसमें जला देता है, right?
Mm.
So when this special eclipse took place and when your planet was retrograde, the message is it was trying to tell you let go of your ego. Let go of some material aspects जहाँ केतु बैठा है. Again, this applies if your planet is retrograde. अगर retrograde नहीं है, आपको फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Unfortunately, there are so many social media tags. Oh, Mercury is retrograde, Saturn is retrograde. It doesn't
Yeah.
impact you. It doesn't impact you at all. दो ट्रेन है, एक आगे चल रही है और आप दूसरी ट्रेन में हो जो फास्ट आ गई. You passed one train and you saw the other one go slow, that is retrograde. But मैं तो ट्रेन पे बैठा ही नहीं हूँ, तो मुझे क्या फर्क पड़ा?
True.
If my planet is not retrograde, retrograde does not impact me. Okay.
Right.
So what I'm trying to say, that particular eclipse जो हुआ था, that symbolized letting go of your ego. It was a powerful spiritual ending and it happens every now and then. Eclipses impact people at different times with different intensity based on the planet which is retrograde. अगर planet retrograde नहीं है, the eclipse might not do you much harm. Sometimes it will do harm on the house in which it is placed. छोटी छोटी ups and downs हो जाएंगी.
जी.
So that was an unsettling revelation for lots of people. 2 हफ्ते का जो था, for the eclipse to come, for the eclipse to go, think of it as a clearing path. For all those people who did something good, अच्छा हुआ. जिन्होंने नहीं किया, well, there is still another opportunity because सूर्य ग्रहण आ रहा है. And that is coming now on the 21st, which is only 5 days away.
जी. So listeners, let me remind you कि आप सुन रहे हैं अभी लाइव शो विद डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया, जो कि एक एस्ट्रोलॉजर हैं, एक सर्टिफाइड न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट हैं. एंड दिस इज योर अपॉर्चुनिटी. अगर आप कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं, स्टूडियो लाइन्स आर ओपन नाउ. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन, just be ready with your date, time, and place of birth, and you can simply call the studio line 510-770-1550. That's Studio Line's number where you can call right now till 5 p.m. to ask any question you have in your mind. Dr. Bhatia is here to answer that. Again, the Studio Line number is 510-770-1550. And if you would like to connect with him after the show for a detailed consultation, 408-639-5300 is the number where you can reach out to him. You can book an appointment and have a detailed conversation, as I said. Website to know all information about him, how to connect with him, saketbhatia.com. That's the website. His first and last name, saketbhatia.com. ईमेल कर सकते हैं आप info@saketbhatia.com पे. और अगर अभी क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हैं तो नंबर वंस अगेन इज 510-770-1550. Let's start taking calls.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia. Hello, can you lower the radio volume in the background?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I just have a quick question for Dr. Bhatia.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, doctor. I'm okay. Just like you mentioned, I think I got my job after getting laid off last month. In just 2 weeks, I just got a quick connect. I just wanted to make sure that I basically pronounced it on air also, that your predictions are absolutely coming true. Then plus, I had the other follow-up question. How long will I be in this job?
I always tell people who come to meet me, Sam, you are bigger than your chart. You have the ability to make that change. With all things put aside, you're a hardworking man. You should have this job for a while. Give me your date again. Date, place, time.
November 29, 74,
Okay. And time?
2:20 a.m. in Chennai.
Okay, Chennai. And when did you get your job?
Exactly on September 8th.
Well, good luck. And I hope you like this job. So, September 8th, you got your job. And now you're going to start Jupiter Mars Dasha, right?
Right.
You know that. Jupiter Mars Dasha, Jupiter is in this Kundli Vargotam, sitting in house of career. Mars is sitting in house of work. Jupiter is also aspecting career himself and he's transiting career. Let's look at your, on a very flip side, let's look at your Ashtavarga chart. The only thing which is weak is Taurus, right?
Right.
Oh, okay.
It has only 18
Everything-
points.
Yeah, it is 18 points. Career and all is sitting at 36 points. Am I right? Or is it
Correct.
29 points?
29 points, something around 29, 28, yeah.
But there is no bad transit on that house. So let's try to make a educated prediction right now. Ketu is sitting on career, on the house of loss. Rahu is still going to aspect. You're not losing your job.
Okay.
You can't lose your job. Change your job.
Okay.
You're going to have a job which is okay. It's going to be good for you. My suggestion, something good is coming your way next year. Between March and July of next year, switch. It will work very well for you. You're going to get a promotion, you're going to get more responsibility, and you're going to get a lot more money. Take that job. Okay. Right now, stay put. Do as you're doing. Okay.
Thank you so much.
No worries. Bye.
Let's take another call. Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
मेरा नाम पूजा है और मेरे को जगदीश के लिए पूछना है। उसकी डेट ऑफ बर्थ है 13 जनवरी 1994, सैन डिएगो में रात को 3:30 बजे।
रात के 3:30 बजे।
जी।
1994, right? And what is your
जी।
question?
क्वेश्चन है कि उसने अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड से शादी की हुई है, कैसी रहेगी आगे जा करके।
तो जगदीश ने अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड से शादी कर ली। और
जी।
आपका क्वेश्चन है आगे जाके कैसे रहेगी।
जी।
तो अच्छी बात है जो शादी की उसने गर्लफ्रेंड से। नहीं? I mean,
I
आप
don't know.
why this question?
I don't know. मैं क्योंकि पेरेंट्स उसके अगेंस्ट थे तो वो इतनी हाँ में हाँ नहीं थी. That's it.
एस्ट्रोलॉजी में हम क्या कहते हैं? In order to study happy married life, we have to study 7th house, which is the house of partnership. उसका लॉर्ड पढ़ना पड़ेगा जो इस केस में वीनस है. एंड वी ऑल्सो हैव टू स्टडी कारक जो वीनस ही है. बट एक स्टेप फर्दर जाके नवम कुंडली में देखते हैं कि D9 चार्ट में 9th लॉर्ड क्या है और 7th हाउस पे कौन सा एस्पेक्ट पड़ रहा है. इट्स काइंड ऑफ कंफ्यूजिंग बट ऐसा ही करना पड़ता है. अब इस कुंडली में 7th हाउस पे केतु है. वी नो केतु इज नॉट डिजायर्ड इन दिस हाउस. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, जो वीनस है जो इस घर का लॉर्ड है, ही इज सिटिंग एग्जैक्टली 8 हाउसेस अवे. ओके, व्हिच इज नॉट डिजायरेबल अगेन. D9 चार्ट में मून बैठा है इन द 9th हाउस और उसका लॉर्ड जो है मर्क्यूरी वो उल्टे घर में आ गया है, वेरी क्लोज टू डिबिलिटेशन. एंड 7th हाउस लॉर्ड मार्स बैठा है शनि के साथ. इट इज अ शॉर्ट लिव्ड मैरिज. ओके, केतु भी
Okay.
डिबिलिटेटेड है. डिबिलिटेटेड प्लैनेट की जब दशा आएगी
Short,
इट इज नॉट.
short-lived meaning. Sorry, short-lived meaning how short is short? Like कितने?
एस्ट्रोलॉजी में विंडोज होती हैं. वी कैन टेल यू अप्रोक्सीमेटली कब जो दशा आएगी उसके हिसाब से क्या होगा. आई एक्सपेक्ट 2030 इज गोइंग टू बी अ बैड टाइम फॉर दिस मैरिज. 2030 to
Oh,
2033 is especially very bad for them. I will be
oh,
surprised
okay.
if this marriage lasts. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Reason is because Gulika Mandi भी जो है वो भी जुपिटर के घर में बैठे हैं और उसी की दशा चल रही है. He is going to prevent them from having something meaningful. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, but good luck. Bye.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
To all the listeners who are tuned in and listening to us, Radio Zindagi Pe Chal Raha Hai show, astrology show with Dr. Saket Bhatia. Dr. Saket Bhatia is live with us like every Tuesday, 4 to 5 p.m. And you also have this opportunity where you can call and ask any question you have in your mind. If it is about you or your loved ones, be ready with the date, time, and place of birth for the precise prediction. It could be in any order, but just these three things are required. And the number to call right now is 510-770-1550. That's the studio line number, 510-770-1550. And if you would like to reach out to Dr. Bhatia after the show, the number is 408-639-5300. Let's talk about solar eclipse, जिसके बारे में आपने बताया 21st को it's going to happen. So which nakshatra it's going to be and how do solar eclipse impact us?
तो ये जो eclipse होगा, this is going to happen in Uttra Falguni Nakshatra. Moon was emotions and sun on the other hand is your soul, right? Sun क्या है? ये आपका धर्म है, ये आपका religion है, ये duty है, integrity है, authority है, ego है. Sun is everything. It provides light to the universe, it provides light to you. So eclipse of the sun is actually a very event which will shake your confidence. You might question what is happening in your life. This is again not going to happen to everybody, but it will happen to some people. Definitely you will have some confidence moving issues कि हमारी लाइफ में ऐसा हुआ क्यों. अब ये जो था, जो चंद्र ग्रहण था वो केतु से था, ये राहु की तरफ से है. Rahu is the opposite of Ketu. Ketu was what you need to not focus on. Rahu is your unfulfilled desire. He is the serpent with the head but no body. खाते जाता है, fulfill नहीं होता. Ketu represented what we had in our past life. Rahu is actually हम क्या लेके जाएंगे यहाँ से. हमारे कर्म क्या करते हैं कि हमें आगे क्या मिलेगा. Worldly obsession, travel, fame, status, material wealth. Rahu is manifestation. ये जब eclipse पे आता है तो it's very intense. It's actually more intense than lunar eclipse. Desire बढ़ जाते हैं हमारा की self purpose बढ़ जाता है. And sometimes we recklessly do things we should not do. Uttra Falguni Nakshatra is the nakshatra of right commitment. Life में जो right करना है. It is also called the noble nakshatra. इसका जो symbol है वो बेड के पीछे का है. It's a cot. It signifies rest, comfort, and relaxing after you have fulfilled your duties. Aryaman is the deity of this, and this is basically one of those nakshatras which is all about stability, lasting legacies. So message ये है, जब ये eclipse होगा, it creates a fundamental test of your integrity. It is essentially saying, what have you compromised in your life to gain what you have got? Did you cheat people? Did you hurt people? Did you rob? Did you provide for other people? Did you do everything right? Rahu will try to make us break contracts, betray trust, cut corners, just so we can be more successful in life. Okay? But because ये आर्यमन के नक्षत्र में होता है, it basically boils down to your family. This eclipse will be testing your family, your relations with your family, business partners, and society in general. So think of this eclipse as a reset of your public personality, worldly emotions, and ego. ये जो होगा, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स देखो आपने क्या साइन किए, कितने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट आप तोड़ते हो, क्या झूठ बोलते हो आप, क्या सच बोलते हो. Think of it as a new beginning, okay? If you have done something wrong, come clean. It is the next chapter for you.
You know, whenever I hear you talking about things which are usually portrayed as the scary ones, your interpretation is always at the end so logical, and you know it gives so much faith and something to hold on to. Because this retrograde again, just like Shani, बहुत negative इसको बताया गया है, and even with the Rahu Ketu. जब लगता है कि राहु केतु की दशा आई है तो देन इट हैज टू बी बैड, इट हैज टू बी समथिंग टेकिंग अवे फ्रॉम यू, बट व्हेन यू आर एक्सप्लेनिंग इट डज मेक मोर सेंस.
I'm glad it does. Rahu is simply put unfulfilled desire. हर
राइट.
एक का desire होता है life में.
हम्म.
Every human being has a desire. Bees have desires. Birds have desires. Bees कहते हैं हर एक झाड़ से हम pollen ले लें, right?
जी.
Birds have desires to flap their wings and fly as far as they can. तो desire तो animals में होता है. Fish में desire होता है. So if we have some desire, there's nothing wrong with it. The
हम्म.
whole concept of astrology is you have to give up on it. But it's very hard to give up. I
Right.
understand. I'm laughing here myself, but it's very hard to give up.
जी.
हमें कुछ तो चाहिए ना.
Absolutely.
When they said you have to give up, it doesn't mean you give up your house, your family. It means you give it less importance than God. And that really is very hard for the average man to comprehend and do. And the first question people ask is, suppose there is no God, then what am I doing?
Right. You know, comprehend and do se pehle, they should know that this is what is needed or this is required in this particular period of your life. And I think
Yes.
for that, they should definitely be consulting an astrologer or taking help. And as you always say that time अगर अच्छा है तो उसका और अच्छा use हो सकता है. और अगर थोड़ा difficult है तो then you can have some assurance like how you can put like with that time.
I agree. अगर आप टाइम के हिसाब से नहीं जाओगे, then time will walk over you.
Right.
If you
right.
don't capitalize in your good time, then the bad time is not going to say, oh, I will come again. There is no excuse. There is no delay. वो तो आएगा ही आएगा. To make the best of it, ना?
Absolutely. And on that note, would like to remind all the listeners कि आप website पे जाइए saketbhatia.com, do make your own chart and see what is the positioning. और जहाँ भी doubt है, question है, आप मिल सकते हैं. You can reach out to Dr. Bhatia directly. आप call कर सकते हैं. The number where you can make an appointment is 408-639-5300. Or the website to get all the information about him is saketbhatia.com. Again, it's saketbhatia.com. और अभी अगर क्विकली कॉल करना चाहते हैं फॉर एनी क्वेश्चन यू हैव इन योर माइंड द नंबर इज 510-770-1550. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दी बज्ड अबाउट टॉपिक रेट्रोग्रेड. हमने पहले बात किया है एज यू मेंशन्ड आल्सो कि कुछ शो में हमने बात किया था. सो लेट्स एक्सपैंड ऑन दैट एंड होता क्या है ये रेट्रोग्रेड प्लैनेट? इफ इट्स नॉट मूविंग बैकवर्ड देन इज इट मूविंग स्लो? व्हाट इज एक्चुअली इट इज?
So neither is the planet moving backwards, nor is the planet moving slow. It
ओके.
is moving at its own pace. Retrograde is an optical illusion. जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, इमेजिन दो ट्रेन चल रही है या आप दो गाड़ियां चल रही हैं.
जी
रोड पे एक गाड़ी चल रही है 60 miles पे and you're driving at 70 miles. As you come closer to the car in 60 miles, आपको लगेगा कि वो गाड़ी थोड़ी slow हो गई है. And then the minute you reach that car, both of you are actually at standstill because दोनों की speed same है. And then as you start passing that car, it appears वो गाड़ी तो पीछे जा रही है. Not कि आप आगे जा रहे हो, पीछे जा रही है. अभी Earth की जो orbit है, Earth orbits the sun, Jupiter, Saturn orbit the sun. When we catch up with those planets and we pass them, it appears those planets are now moving backwards. They've become slow, they're moving backwards for a short period of time. और जब हम थोड़े आगे चले जाते हैं, turn करते हैं, it again, then they start moving forward. This backward motion is called retrograde. No, it is not moving backwards. No, it is not moving slow. Vakri is the actual name for retrograde, and it is a change in the planet's apparent movement from your position on Earth. Okay, that is what it is. Abhi, I want to talk about iska astrologically, iska significance kya hai, iska meaning kya hai. Astronomy wise, it is very easy, very simple. It is deep. Yes, हमें समझ आ गया, planet appears to move slow. But in Vedic astrology, जब planet move हो रहा है, normal way में, तो उसकी जो intensity है, वो outward आती है, right?
जी
Jupiter आपको wise बनाएगा, Mercury speech अच्छी देगा. But on the other hand, जब retrograde planet होता है, इसकी जो energy है, ये concentrated हो जाती है. It actually starts getting inward. Planet की जो signification है, it is actually stuck in you and you are not able to portray that out that easily. I'll give you an example. Think of a person giving a lecture. जब lecture देता है वो stage पे जाके you're going to talk out loud. You're giving your ideas, giving your voice to the audience. Retrograde planet is that same person who did not go on stage but is going back to his office. He's got all these notes. He's now reviewing his notes, editing his manuscript, and reconsidering what arguments he will have with the audience. The work is internal, not external.
राइट
आप समझे?
जी
That is the best way I can explain this.
नो दैट वाज
Retrograde period is not a time to push forward. You won't win. Don't do it. You will lose. It is a time जब ये planet है, इसको energy अंदर है, अंदर ही रखो, reevaluate what you're doing, rethink what you're doing, resolve what you're doing. Saturn retrograde है. अब आपकी कुंडली में अगर Saturn भी retrograde है, this will apply to you. Don't fight Saturn. The house where Saturn is sitting, the house that Saturn owns, and whatever Saturn represents will all be internal within you. Remember that. You cannot fight it. जब Saturn ठीक हो जाएगा, go ahead, do it. Then कब Jupiter retrograde हो जाएगा, you'll have problem with your children because Jupiter represents kids. Again, this will only happen if your Jupiter is retrograde.
इन योर चार्ट
So,
यस
Vedika, if your planets are not retrograde, more power to you. It doesn't apply. But for those of us like me who has retrograde planet, I have to start wondering कि कौन सा planet retrograde है and how do I fight it?
और वेबसाइट पे जाके व्हेन दे पीपल आर मेकिंग चार्ट्स दे कैन सी कि उनकी कुंडली में कौन सा प्लैनेट है जो रेट्रोग्रेड है राइट
Just simply go on the website, click on generate my kundli. There is no cost. Click it. पता चल जाएगा आपको.
जी
One thing I have learned about people in so many years, there are 3 types of people. One who will say the glass is half full. Second, who will say the glass is half empty. The third is the person who has 3 or more retrograde planets in their chart. They will say, I wish this was my glass. It's not my glass. They tend to be critical thinkers. Always happens. 3 or more retrograde planets makes you critical thinker.
वी हैव अ कॉलर वेटिंग कैन वी क्विकली टेक अ कॉल
Sure.
हेलो यूर ऑन एयर विद डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया
Hi, Dr. Bhatia. Thanks for taking my call. How are you?
I am wonderful. Thank you for asking. How can I help you?
Yeah, so I have a question regarding my job. So my date of birth is 25th March 1975. Time of birth is 12:40 p.m. and the place of birth is Ludhiana, Punjab.
Okay. And what is your
So-
question?
So right now, I'm not satisfied with my job. So I want to find another job. So when do you see job change in my chart?
पहली बात तो how many years you've been working in this career?
10 plus years.
The reason I asked is because आपकी जो कुंडली बन रही है March 25, 1974 to 40 in Ludhiana, इसके हिसाब से आपके ascendant, हाँ?
No, it's 75, 1975.
नहीं, that's what, March 25th, 1975 at 2:40 in Ludhiana. इसके हिसाब से
March
Venus,
25th, right?
yeah,
March
March
25th.
25th. I have it right, don't
Yes.
worry. Venus
Okay.
आपके करियर में बैठ गया है, and ये जो planet बैठता है tends to make you very content. People don't do much to switch their job. That is the big problem. अभी आपकी जो कुंडली बन रही है, you're a Cancer ascendant. Okay.
जी.
कर्क लगन वो जो बैठा है, he is sitting very well in the house of money. Mars जो career lord है वो exalted है, और अब दशा चल रही है राहु शनि की. राहु
जी.
और शनि जो है ये एक दूसरे से 4 घर दूर, एक्चुअली 8 घर दूर हैं. Avoid switching in this dasha unless you have your own business. Don't switch. There is nothing that will help you to get a better job. अब 2025 है. Yes.
Right now he put me on part time, so that's why I'm not satisfied. Because after working so long, now suddenly it's like a big drop.
Yes,
So that's
but
why.
आपका
Yeah.
राहु debilitated है. Debilitated
जी.
planet जो 5वें घर में बैठा है वो अच्छी रिजल्ट नहीं देता है. It is hard.
जी.
इस कुंडली में there is nothing that is helping you to get a job right now. My suggestion,
Okay.
March 2027. You don't want to hear that, but it is true. March 2027 is a better time for you to get a job. I would say
Okay.
try finding one starting May next year. May of next year to
Okay.
December, you will get something. But a better, good job, you're going to have to wait till 2027 March.
Okay.
अब
Okay.
कुछ मत करना.
So-
Wait till May of next year.
Okay, I got it. So do you see like maybe business is a better idea for me right now?
Right now, no, it is not.
No. Oh,
No,
okay. Okay.
not
All
right
right.
now.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
All right. Thank you, Dr. Bhatia. Bye.
Bye.
If you have further questions, you can always reach out to Dr. Bhatia directly by calling his number, which is 408-639-5300, or through the website saketbhatia.com. And as we are reminding you again and again, आप website पे जाके अपनी date, time and place of birth enter करके you can create your own chart. And if you have any retrograde planet, or if you would like to know the meaning of anything in particular, reach out to Dr. Bhatia, info@saketbhatia.com, or call कीजिए 408-639-5300. And we have some more time in the show. Still can take a couple of calls. 510-770-1550 is the studio lines number. हमारे साथ Dr. Sakit Bhatia जुड़े हैं, who is a PhD in astrology and is a certified numerologist. And आप उनसे बात कर सकते हैं अभी कॉल करके. Let's take another call.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Sakit Bhatia. Can you lower the
Hi.
radio volume in the background, please?
Yes, my name is Archana.
Hi, Archana.
Hi, मेरा date of birth है April 29, 1976 और time है 4:53 in the morning in Mumbai.
Okay.
मैं अभी नर्सिंग के लिए अप्लाई कर रही हूँ, नर्सिंग करने के लिए. तो just want to see मतलब अगले 2 साल में how is it going to be?
Again, just to verify, April 29, 1976, 4:53 in the
Yes.
morning in Mumbai, right?
Yes.
So, have you switched your career before?
I was into administration, then I became a medical assistant, and now I'm going for nursing.
Okay. Human profession is always determined by placement of 9th lord from sun
Okay.
ascendant moon in Navam's chart. अभी आपकी कुंडली में जो 9th lord, जो 10th lord है, वो है जुपिटर. वो कुंडली में sun के घर में बैठा है. And sun
Okay.
itself is sitting with moon. Okay. In exalted in Aries. Sun
Okay.
और moon से 7, 8, 9, 10, it is Saturn. जो सन के घर में बैठा है. So everything points to sun and Mars.
This
Mars
call will be
necessarily
recorded.
does not mean you're going to be nurse, but it could also mean caretaker, hospice person, as opposed to a nurse or a nurse practitioner. Moon is
Okay.
very well placed, so he's going to give you that job. Moon thoda combust hai, which will give difficulty in that. आपका question है, will you be able to become a nurse? Is that your primary question?
Yes, yes. मैंने अभी शुरू नहीं किया है. मेरा अभी प्री-रिक्विजिट्स चालू है. So I just want to know any problems. उसमें कुछ problem वगैरह नहीं आएंगे. Everything will be smooth till I become a nurse.
You won't have any problem. Your dasha is very strong for you. राहु
Okay,
जुपिटर की
perfect.
दशा है, उसके बाद राहु शनि की दशा है. It's all pointing. Shani is in house of formal education. Rahu is directly aspecting that particular house of moon. You won't have problem. You'll become. My only complaint is you should have done this before. Okay.
Yeah.
ये
I'm a
2020 में
little
कर
bit
लेते,
late.
you would have done better. थोड़ा late है.
Okay, okay.
Better late than
Okay.
never. Okay. Good luck.
Okay, okay.
Bye.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye.
So retrograde planets की बात कर रहे थे हम. What is the astrological meaning? जो हम कहते हैं planet retrograde हो गया. What is the meaning for that astrologically?
Internal energy versus external energy. जो पहले समझाया था.
जी.
When astronomy, it is easy, right? हम जो कहा था कि planet जो बाहर की energy देता है, like sun gives ego. When it comes to retrograde, ये जो है ये अंदर हो जाता है. So retrograde is not the time to push forward. It is a time to revisit everything, redo, revisit, rethink, reevaluate and resolve. Everything जब planet retrograde है, suppose आपकी कुंडली में Saturn retrograde है, इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि हमेशा आपको करना पड़ेगा. जब Saturn in general retrograde होगा ना, then it will hit you. The house it represents, the place it is sitting, and whatever it represents, those are things you will have to reevaluate, resolve, rethink. That is the meaning. अंदर ही होगा. You won't be able to do anything. Plan कर लो, action मत लेना.
और ये जो retrograde planet है, does it has to do anything with the past life karma?
The most important thing to understand is जो वक्री ग्रह है, retrograde planet, it represents unfinished business. It is like a karmic lesson which was not learned before for you. That's why that Ketu has come back. See, we've taken many births. There are many unfinished duties. एक लाइफ में केतु यहाँ आ गया, एक में केतु कहीं और आया, फिर केतु यहाँ आएगा because you won't do it. So what it is telling you is finish that business that you had started. अगर जुपिटर आपका retrograde है, then it's trying to tell you कि पिछले जन्म में maybe you did not believe in your teachers, you did not believe in your own existence, you did not believe in your faith system. तो अब कर लो. अगर शनि retrograde है, it says past life, आपने बहुत कुछ किया नहीं. I'm not saying you were lazy. Perhaps you just talked and did not do anything. Now is serious time to take some action. A retrograde planet puts a hold on forward progress. रोक देता है आपको. हम आगे नहीं जाने देंगे till this chapter is finished in your life. And believe me, you better finish. You don't, you're going to keep accumulating that baggage and someday it is going to get retrograde and you're going to break down. ये एक
जी.
second opportunity दे रहे हैं आपको, which is essentially telling you, try finishing. So every retrograde session is going to be different. Something new is going to happen.
We have a caller on hold. Can we quickly take
Sure.
one last call? Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia. Thanks for holding.
Yeah, hi. Hello, Dr. Bhatia. This is for my son. His date of birth is August 13, 1994. And the time is 4:04 a.m. Born in Santa Clara, California. I wanted to ask about his two things, when he'll get married and his career.
So your son is born August 13, 1994, 4 o'clock in the morning, 4:04.
Correct.
And your question is, when will he get married? And
Yeah, yeah. I mean, he doesn't seem inclined to get married. That's
well, it's his choice. How old is your son right now? 30? 31?
31, yeah.
So, it's his choice. He has retrograde Saturn in the ninth house. Saturn is retrograde right now. So everything in that ninth house is going to get delayed for him. Saturn also owns the house of luck. So it is going to get delayed for him. Coming back to your question, he's running Dasha right now. Saturn Sun. Saturn Sun, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's not a very good Dasha. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Career wise, Saturn is transiting his career. So if he's doing a job, don't switch. Stay where you are. Don't do anything. Next Dasha, Saturn Ketu, Saturn Moon, probably slightly better for your son. Career wise, his career is squashed between two planets. It is squashed between Saturn and Ketu. The amount of growth this boy could get will be less compared to what he really deserves. Okay. That is one thing. And as far as marriage goes, wait for at least another 18 plus 20, wait for another 30 months before he can get married. Dasha has not come yet.
So 2027, is that what you're saying?
That's correct. 2027 is when earliest time he can even think of getting married.
Okay. And on
I
the
would actually
career, what did you
push it out to
Yeah.
end of 2027. Career, I'm just saying what he can deserve in life will elude him because of the placement of the planets. The success he can get will elude him simply because of this silly placement of these two bad planets and the placement of Jupiter. Okay. Good luck to you.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you for your questions. If you have any more questions, guys, you can directly reach out to Dr. Bhatia after this show. saketbhatia.com website पे आपको सारी information मिलेगी about him and about how to connect with him as well. So there was an important question जब retrograde की बात आई थी कि planet strength if we see. So is the retrograde planet more stronger than the regular or less? How it works?
I don't think it is more or less. It is different kind of strength. See,
Okay.
emotional strength होता है, right? आपने एक पत्थर उठाया और फेंका, वो आगे चला जाएगा.
Mm-hmm.
Now think somebody gave you a slingshot. You'll put a stone and pull it back, right? पत्थर पीछे जा रहा है.
जी.
But as it's pulling back, it is gaining immense potential energy.
Yes. And it's going to go
That is
farther.
what it will go a lot further if it is done right. अगर ये पत्थर आपने नीचे जमीन पे मार दिया, it will break. Nothing will happen. A retrograde planet is like that. It pulls you back with a lot of strength, concentrated desires.
Mhm.
Because its energy is frustrated from moving forward, it is stuck in you. And it's really very powerful. I have seen what this means is that retrograde period is internal work. Don't push. Don't push. It is not the right time for you. Learn the lesson, reevaluate everything, replan everything, and move forward. Retrograde planet से डरना नहीं है.
जी.
It's actually a great time to relax your body, relax your mind, and say हम plan करके आगे जाएंगे. It is just telling you कि पिछले life में आपने ये नहीं किया ठीक तो आप कर लो. Why do you think there are so many retrogrades happening all the time? Each one of them is teaching you something or the other. Prepare it. To answer
Right.
your question, I think people who have retrograde planets can go further in life. They can a lot easier if they plan strategically. Retrograde is a blessing for a lot of people.
Mhm.
It is, in fact, most successful people have more retrograde planets. They do, but they don't use their time wisely. They tend to be negative. They
Mhm.
tend to say, फिर अटकन आ गई. अटकन आ गई तो ही तो आगे बढ़ सकोगे आप. Nobody
जी.
who's made it big in life has had it easy. Do not base big on money alone. Base it on everything else.
Right.
Okay. Look at our freedom fighters. They didn't have it easy in life.
Right.
No. Look at some very, seasoned doctors in this life. They didn't have it easy. They didn't get up one day and wear a stethoscope and say, I'm doctor ban gaye. No, they had to study,
Years. Yes.
breakthroughs, research. All this is Saturn. Most successful people have retrograde planets. If you have, you're blessed. But use that time. Figure out कौन सा planet है retrograde और उसको fix करो अभी.
जी. We just have one last minute, and there were a couple of points we left. So can we continue the same topic next week?
We will. Next week we'll talk about जो eclipse होता है, how does it amplify the
Right.
retrograde planet? ये बात करेंगे हम. I think that is important.
Yes, yes,
Think
definitely.
of a pot. एक pot है जिसके अंदर आपने सारे अपने emotions डाल दिए and उस पे आपने eclipse में fire चला दी. So that keeps getting hot and hot and it explodes.
Right.
That is what happens during a retrograde planet with eclipse. So we will discuss that. We will discuss some remedies. What
Mhm.
we believe are very targeted remedies to help you. But for all you listeners, again, make the best of this eclipse and retrograde that is coming. Don't buy property. Don't do much. Eclipse is never considered good in general. It lasts only for a day. Us time pe chup raho. But make strategic moves when you have retrograde planets. Okay?
Definitely. Another great note on which we are ending the show today. Listeners, we'll be back next Tuesday. Do not forget to tune 4 to 5 p.m. on Radio Zindagi for Astrology Show with Dr. Saket Bhatia. We won't be able to take any more calls. All the callers who are trying to reach us now, you can directly connect with Dr. Bhatia at 408-639-5300 or his website, saketbhatia.com. Thank you so much, Dr. Bhatia, for joining us today.
Thank you. Keep smiling and be happy. To all the listeners, we'll be back again next week. Bye-bye.
So, listeners, aap kahin mein jaiye. RJ Swati is coming next with Cruise Control.
You are listening to Radio Zindagi. Easy DG 1550